Okay, now as we have given all the permission, now I want to remove all the permissions of a folder and all the users. And this time I want to use numeric digital method.
Okay, so the numeric digital method. So suppose the command will be sudo chmod. So now I want to take all of the permissions. So if I want to take all of the permission, I can assign them 0. So in here we use three type of a number, the 777 or 000. The first one is for the owner permission. So I'm setting the owner permission to 0. After that, I have the group permission. The second one, I am also assigning it to 0, means you also don't have any kind of permission. And for the other users, I'm also using 0. So it means the user, owner, and the group don't have any kind of permission. After that, I just specify the file name, which is document.txt. So in short, the command will be sudo chmod 000 space document.txt.
Okay.